Remaining two topics, Sama. Remaining two models, not topics. Solve the quadratic equation by quadratic formula and solve the quadratic equation by factorization. Completing square method. Already I explained completing square method means we have to do the given quadratic equation either in the form of a plus b whole square or in the form of
a minus b whole square.
You have to resolve into the given quadratic equation in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. That is compulsory how to do it. And you go to textbook, see here, solve a quadratic equation by completing square method. For that, what did you see first? I already told by the algebraic method I explained on that day only, this algebraic method. This one no need for us. Now we'll go for a direct. See this one. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve by completing square method. So here x square coefficient is 3. So this cannot be written in the form of square form because a coefficient of x square is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, then you can write in square form. That's why this full equation we are going to multiply. We multiply the equation throughout by 3 to get. What you get means if you multiply by 2, multiply by 3, what you are getting means, see, if you multiply by 3, 3x square means 3 3s are 9x square, 3 into 5 minus 15x, 3 2s are 6. So 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation we got by multiplying 3. Then the first term we can write in the square form. If you wrote in square form, you know a value. Minus is there, that's why it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Second term minus there, that's why it is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. A means 3x. Our second term in the formula is 2ab term. Minus 2 into a you write first. Minus 2 into a you write first. Then you think about how we get 15. How we can, what number we wrote here, you get 15. That you have to think. You have to think. Understand? This step important, Amma. 3x whole square means a is 3x minus 2ab. Our term is 2ab. The identity 2ab is there. 2 into a means 3x. You have to write first. So 2 3 are 6x we wrote. But actually you have to get a minus 2 into a into b. So b you have to identify here. What number if you write, it will get 15x. You get 15x. Already 6 is there. If you write into 5 by 2, that you have to think. Here, how you get 50 if you 5 by 2? This is your thinking, Amma. How I can get 15x here? Already 6x I wrote. 6 into 5 by 2 means 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So that's why b means I can write 5 by 2. How you got b 5 by 2? Everyone understand? Most important, Amma. Now only tell. Anyone doubt means you can ask me now only. For clarifying your doubts, you can ask me now only. How you got 5 by 2? Already 2ab is there. 2 into a into b means here 15x you have to get. 2 3 are 6x already I wrote. 6 into what number I wrote? I can get 15 means 6 into 5 by 2. 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. So this you have to think. How to get 5 by 2 is most important. That means b is 5 by 2. I have to identify b here. b is 5 by 2. Understand? My everyone. Rahul, I understand how you get 5 by 2. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 to cancel, 5 3s are 15x. So that is your responsibility to find out b, 5 by 2. You have to think which number I can write. You have to take the options. Which number I can write. I can reach to 15x. So now we got b. Then according to our formula, a square term is there, minus 2ab term is there. Which term not there means b square not there. That's why in the next step we see, he wrote in the next step, b square plus b square. unnecessary you wrote, this is extra step you wrote. That's why we have to subtract also. Whatever you wrote extra, that must be minus. Then plus minus cancel, nothing you added. That's why without changing the step, I have to add plus 5 by 2 whole square. At the same time, I have to subtract minus 5 by 2 whole square also. Now you see 3x whole square minus 2 of 3x into 5 by 2, 2ab plus b square. This I wrote extra b square. B identified, b square I wrote. So this I wrote plus b square na. I have to subtract minus 5 by 2 whole square also. Minus b square also. This you have to compulsory. Plus 6 already it is there in the question. Plus 6. This is the key step, Amma. In your completing square method, this is the key step. I think everyone understand this step. Any doubts? Ask now only. Hussein, have you understand Hussein? Hussein. Hussein.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And now a square minus 2ab plus b square up to here, up to these three terms, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. A means 3x, b means 5 by 2, 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Every sum should write in the form of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square compulsory. Then, now remaining part, minus 5 by 2 whole square means 5 is 25 by 4 plus 6 is there. Now you transpose, other than whole square, remaining terms are there now. You transpose to RHS, but he simplified. These two is simplified, Amma. LCM 4 minus 25, 4 6 are 24. Minus 25 plus 24 means minus 1 by 4. Still not transposed. He simplified. Minus 25 by 4 plus 6 means LCM 4. 4 6 are 24. Minus 25 plus 24 means 1 by 4. And next step, he transposed to RHS. So 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0 can be written as in this form. 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Now transpose 1 by 4 to RHS. It equal to plus 1 by 4. Then square, if you transpose to RHS, it becomes root. Root of 1 by 4 means we have two values, plus or minus 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 4 means plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Hence 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to plus 1 by 2, or 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Why you got 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means root 1 by 4 means plus or minus 1 by 2, Amma. So we can take both the values. 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to plus 1 by 2, or 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. We can also written as 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. See, plus or minus denotes plus minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. How to denote means, how to read means plus or minus 1 by 2. So take first positive value, transpose 5 by 2, 3x equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Next negative value, 3x equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here LCM, if you do 6 by 2, here if you do LCM 6 by 2 3, here LCM 2 4 by 2 2, and here if you transpose 3 by 3 1, if you transpose here 4 by 6 means 2 by 3, you are getting answer. 3 transpose first only. He transpose first only 3, Amma. But at last also you can transpose. First simplify 4 by 2 to x equal to 2 by 3. 1 or 2 by 3. Understand, Amma? This is a method of completing square method. Is it okay? Can I go to next, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Important, Amma. Another way of showing this process as follows. So this one no need, fractions method, that no need for you. Now see here compulsory, here he did by fraction method, Amma. We can do by multiplying by 2, you can do it, but he did by fraction method, he divided by 2. Both ways you can do, but multiplying is easy, Amma. Instead of dividing, first only you are getting fraction, that's why multiply by 2 is better here. See, I can say orally, this method not multiply, I am doing 4x square minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. 4x square minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. On both sides. Okay, ma mute. Now only Bindu came under. So 4x square minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. 4x square means I can write as 2x whole square. Next minus 10x is there. So minus 2 into, I can write 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x. 2 2 0 4x already there. I have to get 5x means into 5 by 4. 4 4 will get cancelled into 5 by 4 means my B is 5 by 2 5 by 4 4x came 2x was going to 4x that only into for to get 5 na into 2 into 2x into 5 by 4 then 2 to cancel 4 you will get a 5x here. That's why my B is 5 by 4. B is 5 by 4. Okay, so we will get a 2x minus 5 by 4 whole square. Then 5 by 4 whole square is there na minus 5 by whole square minus 3 whole square amma. 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 whole square you have to write plus 3 6 whole square. 5 by 4 whole square minus 6. 5 by 4 whole square means 25 by 16 minus 6. Okay. I told dividing multiply by 2 amma. Here you divide by 2. This way also can follow. That way also can follow. Okay. I want to explain this one or that one. Which one you want? Which one you want, amma?
Multiply, sir.
Multiply. I already explained. That's why. Okay. Multiply means 4x square minus 10x. Here minus 10x amma. 4x square minus 10x. Wait. Okay. Minus 10, sorry. 4x square minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. 4x square means 2x whole square. Here minus 10x is there na. Minus 2 into 2x minus 4x already wrote. You want to get 10 means into 5 by 2 amma. Into 5 by 2. My B is 5 by 2. B is 5 by 2. So I have to write plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square. So my answer is 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square minus 9. 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 6. 3 3 2 6 na 6 minus 5 by 2 whole square. If you simplify that one, you will get the answer. Understand? That is easy, amma. Try to do multiplication. If chance not there, we can do x square quotient 1 means we can do with fractions only. If x square quotient like this means we have to multiply by 2 only. Okay. Babu Somasakara, stop the video. Where you went? Stop the video, Somasakara. Okay. This is a completing square method. One more sum completing square method. He did in our method only this one. 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. So I have to multiply the equation by 5 on both sides. 5 on both sides. Multiply by 5. 5 5 is 25x square. 5 6 are 30x minus 10 equal to 0. He multiplied. Then 25x square means 5x whole square a square minus 2ab. 2 into 5, 10. Only 10 is there. 30x means B is 3 amma. No need to do anything extra. Already 3 is sufficient. Always you don't need to get fraction amma. Sometimes you will not get fraction also. Here you see 30x means already 10x there. Remaining what number left means 3 only left. So my B value is 3 only. Sorry, every time you should get fraction means no need. Sometimes you don't need to get fraction also. Understand here? 25x square means 5x whole square minus 2 into a means 5x into 2 5s are 10x. 30x means 10 3s are 30 into b. B means 3. Now we have to add b square and minus b square. B square means 3 square minus b square means plus 3 square minus 3 square. I wrote extra minus 10 there in the question equal to 0. Hence a minus b whole square means 5x minus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 10. Transpose that side. 5x minus 3 whole square equal to 19. 5x minus 3 equal to plus or minus root 19. But 19 square root not there. You no need to worry. So 5x equal to 3 plus or minus root 19. X equal to 3 plus or minus root 19 by 5. Hence my two values are, my two zeros are, my two roots are 3 plus root 19 by 5 or 3 minus root 19 by 5. These are the two solutions, two roots of the equation. This is simple, Amma. Fraction not getting, that's why you can understand easily. Understand, Amma? Completing square method, any all. Litish ready? Litish ready?
Sir.
Okay? Completing square method.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, who? Karthik and
Vinitha, sir.
huh? Yes?
Sir, always we have to multiply by x square coefficient only, sir.
It is easy way, ma. Multiply means you'll get easy way. You can divide also. Divide means you are getting fractions. Already did an example. Divide also you can do it, but try to multiplication easy. You need to multiply. See this question. 4x square already there. So it is already in square form. You don't need to multiply, amma. Only x square coefficient is not a perfect square. At that time only you have to multiply. Understand? If x square coefficient 1 is there, automatically x whole square only you can write. A means x only. Is it okay to all? If it is perfect square, x square coefficient
Yes, sir.
multiply. Okay. If it is not a perfect square only, you have to multiply. See, 4x square, 2x whole square, plus means plus 2ab form, plus 2 into a means 2x. Now you have to get 3 by 3x amma. But here I wrote 4x first. Then how you get 3x means 4 should be cancelled. That's why into 3 by 4. This one you are thinking how to get b value, that is you have to think. Only this part you have to think. How I can get b means here 3x is there. I got 4x. So I want to get 4 cancel. That's why into 3 by 4 I have to write b equal to 3 by 4 plus b got na plus b square minus b square compulsory how to do. Plus 5 is there in the question. Okay. And now up to here, up to these three steps, a square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b whole square, 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square means minus 9 by 16 plus 5 equal to 0. Then you can do LCM. 16 5s are 80, 80 minus 9, 71, 71 by 16, then transpose equal to minus 71 by 6, 71 by 16, 6 not 16. Now, if you see, if you transpose, this is already you see, this is less than 0, negative can't be there, this whole square can't be negative. That's why real roots does not exist. You will not get negative. Under root negative will not come. That's why real roots does not exist. How you know means you check b square minus 4ac here. B square means 3 square 9, 9 minus 4 4 are 16, 16 5 are 80, 9 minus 80 means minus 71. It is less than 0. Hence real roots does not exist. So no need to solve. That's why if anytime if you ask, once you check, if you are getting negative value, you check b square minus 4ac, it is less than 0 means we no need to solve those equations. B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 only, real roots exist. If it is equal to 0, real and equal roots, here we are getting less than 0 minus value. That's why real roots does not exist. Real roots does not exist. And now, important one, Amma, we are deriving the quadratic formula. Already explained one day. Once again, I'm explaining the derivation also by using completing square method only. Here you divide, Amma. Here you not multiplied. Variable is there na. Here you divided. You see now. Consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. This is a general form of a quadratic equation. We are deriving the quadratic formula by using completing square method. By finding roots by completing square method, we are deriving the quadratic formula. Derive quadratic formula means we should write this full. Okay. Now dividing throughout by a we can get, because a can't be right in perfect square. That's why we divide by a on both sides. Then x square plus p by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Okay. And then Next term here you missed the term that I'm explaining. Here x square means x whole square. A means x we got plus 2 into x plus 2 into x. So 2 I wrote extra. Here BA by x. That means 2 will get cancelled. That's why my B value is into B by 2A. Into B by 2A. Y means here B by AX is there. Bx by A is there. But my second term 2x I got. So 2 I have to get cancelled means 2 I have to write in denominator. That's why my B is B by 2A. So x whole square plus 2 of x into B by 2A. 2AB plus B square. B square means B by 2A whole square and minus B by 2A whole square plus C by A already there. That step is missing, Amma. That step you have to insert. Otherwise, you write now. That step not there here. You write on a paper. Take a rough paper and write. Now, once again, I'm telling that step. X whole square plus x whole square plus 2 of x into B by 2A. B means B by 2A plus B by 2A whole square minus B by 2A whole square plus C by A equal to 0. That's not there. That's step. Ma, mute. Who is shouting?
Plus
Ma, Manikanta and Satish. Manikanta and Satish, mute. Okay, that step you have to write. X whole square. Once again, writing, take a rough paper and write them. Then only can understand next step. X whole square plus 2 of x into my B is B by 2A plus B by 2A whole square minus B by 2A whole square plus C by A equal to 0. Now first 3 terms, A square plus 2AB plus B square means A plus B whole square. This you wrote x plus B by 2A whole square minus B by 2A whole square plus C by A equal to 0. Now here we can do LCM. LCM 2A, B, this one Nama. B square by 4A square. B by 2A whole square means B square by 4A square. LCM is 4A square minus B square minus into plus minus 4AC. 4A square means A already there. 4A times 4A into C, 4AC. And now roots of the given equation means you transpose this one to RHS. X plus B by 2 whole square minus B square by 4AC minus 4A square equal to 0. You transpose that side. X plus B by 2A whole square is equal to B square minus 4AC by 4A square. Now square you transpose. X plus B by 2A is equal to plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2A. Denominator 4A square Nama. Square root of 4A square means it is 2A whole square. That's why denominator 2A. And now transpose B by 2A as that side minus B by 2A. If we do LCM, minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2A. This is known as the quadratic formula. If you are not getting factors, we will go for quadratic formula. Derivation means this full you have to write. So the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And now he telling the conditions down. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, the equations having real roots exist. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the equation will have no real roots. And then if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are given by minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula for finding the roots of the quadratic equation is known as the quadratic formula. This is the derivation of a quadratic formula. Already I told b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. D, capital D equal to b square minus 4ac. Nature of roots means you no need to solve the equation. We have to do the roots nature you have to tell whether they are equal or not, whether they are distinct or not, whether real roots exist or not. That you have to say that value depend upon b square minus 4ac. That is the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the quadratic equation having real roots and they are equal. Second case, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the equation having real roots but they are distinct, means they are not equal, different roots. And the third condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, real roots does not exist. So you no need to solve those equations. This is called the nature of roots. This is called nature of roots. Nature of roots means just you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac only. This is called the derivation of a quadratic formula. Already there in textbook. Once again go through it. One step not there. I told to write that step in a top paper. Understand all quadratic formula and solve by completing square method. Everyone, any doubt you can ask. And nature of roots also explained. Nature of roots also explained. Now after 4.2, you have to write this derivation and all. This derivation fully you have to write. After exercise 4.2, today we'll keep the PDF 4.2. You have to write this all. Okay. 4.2 PDF will keep. Today only 18 members, Amma. Here are the other members today. Only 18 members are there. Daily we are having 20 above. Today only 18. If you take 3 members, 2 members, 22, 23. But daily 23, 24 you are getting. Somebody missing. So many are missing. Okay. See. So after completion of exercise 4.2, you have to write this derivation of here onwards. See, consider the quadratic equation. Here onwards you have to write. Here one step I wrote. That step you insert. Then we are last 10 minutes time. Okay, up to here you have to write. This is the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Up to here you have to write. This is known as the quadratic formula. And next, nature of roots means that is separate. Nature of roots you keep writing and you write d equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant d is equal, that also will be there somewhere clearly. They will write. Here he wrote, see clearly. Now, see this one you have to write. After the derivation formula, this one you have to write. Since b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation has real roots or not, b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has first one, 2 distinct real roots if the condition is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Next, second bit, 2 equal real roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Next, third one, no real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. See the question I'm here. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation and hence find the nature of roots. Sometimes discriminant also will not ask. Directly nature of roots. Find the nature of its roots means we have to find out b square minus 4ac whether real roots exist or not, real roots are equal or not. That you have to say simply. Okay, you no need to solve them. For 1 mark they can give nature of roots. Otherwise, find the value of k. The roots are real and equal means you can take directly b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That type of questions also will be there. See here, this is a question summa. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal real roots. Means 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Equal real roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You don't need to solve the equation number. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 condition. And nature of roots, see. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. means if the real roots exist, find them means compulsory b square minus 4ac you have to find out, and you have to say whether real roots exist or not. Then only you have to find the roots. If we mention like this heading, you have to find b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than or equal to 0, real roots exist. Otherwise, real roots does not exist. Then whether you have to solve or not, it is depend upon b square minus 4ac value. Understand? Ma, anyone can say the conditions, Amma? Once tell the quadratic formula and tell the conditions. Anyone? Anyone say? No one. I have to ask. I will ask. I will ask one student. Litish ready? Litish ready? Litish ready? Litish? Litish ready? Are you there? Babu, Litish ready? Litish ready? Ma, who is there? Girls, boys. Karthik.
Which one, sir?
Conditions, Amma, three conditions. And quadratic formula also. First tell me quadratic. Only formula I tell.
X
Say.
minus B minus E
Ma, signal not there. You can't, we can't hear you. Wait. Any other Litish? Litish ready? You are there? Litish ready? Hussein?
Minus bx
Yes, sir.
You tell.
minus
Hurry, Manikanta.
Minus b
Hurry. Manikanta, you tell.
minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Very good. That is quadratic formula. Now, nature of roots. Discriminant. T equal to what? Discriminant D equal to?
B square minus 4AC.
Very good. B square minus 4AC. Now tell the three conditions, Amma. If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, what you can say?
2 equal
Real roots.
2 equal real roots. Good. Next condition.
If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, 2 distinct
good.
real roots.
Distinct. Good. Next, third condition.
If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, non-real roots.
So real roots does not exist. So no real roots exist. So you no need to solve. Suppose if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you no need to solve the equation, Amma. Nature of roots means we have to find discriminant only. Discriminant D equal to b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two real distinct roots. They are not equal, but they are real roots. And next one is, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, real roots does not exist. So you no need to solve if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. And the quadratic formula once again telling, if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Under root, you can't get negative, Amma. Before you can get negative, but under root b square minus 4ac can't be negative, Amma. That you have to remember. Under root, it can't be negative. If you got negative, the real roots does not exist. You can stop there only. That's why if they exist, if you keep heading, so you find first b square minus 4ac value greater than or equal to 0 only, we can solve. Otherwise, we can write b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That's why real roots does not exist for this equation. We have to say. Okay. And today's homework is you complete exercise 4.2. PDF will keep. You complete 4.2 exercise all sums, and then If time is there, you write the quadratic formula, it is there in textbook, and you write that discriminant steps, 3 conditions. That is there after 4.3, it is there. Before 4.3, quadratic formula is there. After 4.3, discriminant about steps are there. Block letters, it is there, highlighted. Those block letters you can write. Understand? That is the homework you have read in class or book. PDF will keep 4.2. Any doubts? You can ask. We have 2 minutes time. Today, less strength, amma. Maybe festival or what? That's why less strength. Only 18 students. 18 means 18 plus 3, 21 students. Along with me, 20 students present, I think, today. So many are not there. Maybe the climate, due to climate, they not wake up. Any doubts, Amma? Anyone? Santosh? Santosh? Santosh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are there? You are there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I told today? What I told? Today
Uh,
what I told?
Quadratic derivation, sir.
Derivation of quadratic formula and completing square method example to solve by completing square method and about
Sir.
and also conditions also I told.
Discriminate.
Okay. Less
Nature
than
of
1 minute time,
roots.
Amma. Okay. Automatically the class is going to be end. Okay. Tell me the quadratic formula fastly. Santosh, fastly tell. Quadratic formula. Time is going to end.
Minus b minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
By 2a. If you split, you'll get two factors. Two roots will come. Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac 2a. Minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Okay, good day, almost all. We are in 10 seconds. Good day to all. Complete the classwork, no pending. Test will be, how many exercises will complete? Those exercise test will be there, Amma. How many exercises will complete? In that exercise only, next week test in quadratic equations only will keep. Worksheet 1 to 1, in